What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Today I am doing amazing. And the reason why I'm doing amazing today is because I'm going over to my boy's shop, Evan, at Next Gen Tuning, to pick up some parts that I ordered about literally 4 months ago. Kind of almost forgot that I ordered them. But Mason hit me up, said they're here, so I gotta get over there and get to them. I can't wait any longer. The Beast is fine. Paul's car, LS, Juan, but enough of that stuff. Let's get over to the shop because I can't wait any longer. Rolling up to Next Gen. Oh shit.
What up, man?
What up, bitches? What up? Oh shit, you out of the store? Oh shit!
That's awesome. Look at that tractor.
We got an S chassis here, so let's check it out.
Yeah, it is.
See what we got.
Oh, man, I want one now. That's sick.
Oh, blurred.
Got the new exhaust on there.
Yep. Evan. Wait, do it again. Wait, do it again. You know, SR can ever sound that good, bitch. And now you gotta show them what's under the hood that sounds so amazing.
How about it?
There's only one engine that sounds that good.
Yeah, very good.
You're exhausted.
There's only one.
Very good.
The wheels right there, boy. Big money. Oh yeah.
It
May
ain't
not
pretty.
look that pretty, but she sounds good.
That fan is so close.
Hey, radiator. Holy shit, that's a fan? Fucking lose my finger. That shit is fucking crazy. Oh, just picking it up, but yeah. Stays cold?
Oh, God. 160 on the highway.
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, on the highway, I'm at like 100.
Really?
Yeah. That shit don't heat up.
Yeah, that's not good.
I know this shit.
I got a thermostat and everything.
Hey,
I'll give you a shout when it comes in.
I'm gonna yell out a Ricer thing.
What?
Do a burnout!
I'll do a burnout if you want me to.
So lady, I'm not the biggest fan, but the engine, I'll let it slide. It's got the proper engine in
It
it.
slides pretty good.
That's right. Hey, fuck your parking lot, dog. That's what running RBs do. You wouldn't know nothing about that SR boy.
And that's why it goes through engine.
You shut up, KA boy. Well, at least your KA is running, so I can't give you that much shit.
It runs because I don't do anything to it.
That's true. It runs. Doesn't drive it, but it runs. So.
So, what
By
are
the
you
way,
here for?
I sold your wheels already.
I came here to pick up
Oh,
my
your AM parts? I need money first.
AM parts.
Yeah, that's true.
I did not come here for the AM shit. I don't care about that. I came for the sex. I came for the sex. It's hiding back behind that door.
Oh, they look awful though. Oh, I don't want them anymore.
This is the infamous coupe, guys. It's probably the second cleanest compared to mine, but it'll probably stay clean. It might become cleaner because he doesn't drive it. So. Bitch! Hey. You know why my car gets painted so much? Because I drive it hard. The paint don't stay on.
You keep changing it.
This will be in the 240 museum soon because it doesn't drive it. That's it. Drone life. I'm gonna throw your parts around. All right, guys, I'm here. I got some real wheels, guys. Hot boy wheels.
There's XXRs inside work boxes.
They are XXRs.
Yeah,
guys, don't.
they're 527 actually.
Yeah, that's my weakness.
Well, no, I mean, there's no unboxing. I mean, you already unboxed it. You already took all the JDM
Oh,
out of it.
I had to make sure they weren't damaged.
And if they were damaged, what are they gonna do? Go back to Japan and take another 4 months?
Yes, pretty
This
much.
guy says, order JDM shit, he says. It'll be worth it.
It will.
Well, I don't know. It better be worth
Because
it.
then if you hit the wall now, then you just get a new barrel.
Oh, okay.
Or lip.
Hey, shitting on you now. Even more.
I have 2 sets of works. But
But you don't have a running
I
car,
still
so it
got
doesn't
you.
matter.
I have a running car right outside.
I
Exactly.
ain't worried about that shit.
We left the film on there for you.
You better leave the film. I'm never taking the film off. Get them mounted
It's
just like
anodized, it's not a sticker.
anodized.
You want to take you out?
No, you ain't gotta take it out.
Alright.
I ain't gonna take it out.
There's a box. Never gonna use it.
Sitting here the rest of the year. Dang, what size lips are these again?
6.
6-inch lips.
Mine are 6.5. So
What? Yours are what?
6.5s.
But are yours brand new though?
I mean,
Eat a dick!
I rebuilt my fronts with brand new parts. What's
Alright,
up?
that's true.
Oh, don't fuck it up.
Smells like Japan.
This is like Japan's
Smells
fish,
like
doesn't
Japan's
it?
fish.
weird,
It does
actually.
smell like
It's a
Japan.
red sprout rod.
It's on that boat. I told you 4 months.
Yeah, man.
They actually shipped over on a whaling vessel.
Okay, at least work gave me
Oh, you
something.
didn't take it out.
You
already have one.
No wonder why I never get any damn stickers and shit. You guys come through and take them all. But I got here.
That's literally my only reason for opening boxes.
Just take all my shit. I'm like, did they get any stickers? No, they didn't send any stickers. I'm like, that's bullshit.
Yeah.
Yes, this is
$2,000
definitely,
bucks, no stickers, it's odd.
definitely going on the car. Once the wheels go on the car. These are the fronts, I'm assuming.
That is the front.
That's front. Is this a JDM installation guide?
Something like that.
Just to get you to know how to put wheels on.
I can't read this.
Because your hand's shaking so much.
My hand's shaking because
You didn't have any drinks today?
I got the shakes, bro. Need to calm my nerves. These are the fronts. And these are 4-inch lips?
Okay, yeah.
I
Yeah,
believe
looks
so,
like it.
yes.
Yeah. Couldn't go super crazy because I don't have super crazy front overs.
Well, we know a guy if you want to buy any.
You know what guy? Not this damn guy. Shit from this guy. Takes 2 years to get here. That's it. I got work wheels, and I'll put them on. I don't know. I don't know. I don't feel like I just bought damn tires. So, well, that's it. This is what I've been waiting 4 months for. Hit this guy up. Let me put his information somewhere. Is it still outside on the door? On the door? Oh shit! Why you gotta push out door, bro?
I should know by now.
Yep, there it is. Next Gen Tuning. There's the number. There's a website. You guys can hit him up. Here's his hours. He can get you almost anything JDM related and American related.
Yeah.
So if you want some LS stuff, he's the guy to get you that trash. If you want some SR stuff, he can help you get that trash as well.
And your RB stuff, which is also
He's been helping me get all the RB good stuff. He can give you some Jay-Z stuff too, but I don't know about rotary stuff. You get rotary stuff?
I get rotary.
Yeah, we ain't fucking with rotaries around here, so don't worry about that.
I get any stuff as long as you give me time to get it.
Can you give me a 4-rotor?
I'm sure I can.
They don't exist. Can you give me a 3-rotor?
I'll make it happen.
All right. Well, that's it for this part of the video. Say bye.
Later.
I said bye.
Say what I want.
Say peace. I'm zooming in hard right now. It's hard zoomed on your face, on your forehead.
Come on.
No. All right, say peace, bitch. What kind of bullshit? I told you I'm hard zoomed on your forehead right now. Let me see. Oh, you hit that immediately hard. Bye. All right, guys, I just got home. If you want to know the wheel specs, my fronts are 18 by 9.5, -10, and the rears are 18, 10.5, -24. So that's it pretty much for this video. Just wanted to show you guys that I went and picked up my dream wheels for the beast here.
This is a Ryan Little production.
So not really sure when I'll be putting them on. It's really no rush. I'll put them on whenever I feel like it. So thanks you guys for watching. Comment below and let me know what you think about all the upgrades going on for the R Beast. All right, guys. Peace.